Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will going to read the Numbers 3 verses 40 to 43. I will start. Vayomer, the parts of it is Kal, Waftor, third masculine singular, and the translation is and said. And next, Adonai. Adonai means parsing of it is proper noun, and then the translation is Yahweh or the Lord. And then the third one, El Mose, means in parsing preposition onto Moses. And Pekol. Pekol means proper noun, number, and then Bikor. Bikor means Kal imperative masculine singular. All the firstborn, the translation. And Jakor. Jakor means noun masculine singular of the males. And then Lebre Yisrael means preposition noun, proper noun, and the translation is that children of Israel. The next, Meben Hades Vamala, means from month old. Noun masculine singular plus preposition noun, and that the translation is that from month old. And then next is Vishaet, means in parsing Kal imperative masculine singular and upward, the translation. And then second to the last is that Vet Mespar et Mespar, means the parsing noun masculine singular plus objective, and the translation is that the number. And the last, Simata, means parsing noun masculine plural plus third masculine plural suffix, and the translation of it is that of their names. Now let's proceed to 41. First, Vilakta, parsing perfect Kal second masculine singular, and the translation is that and thou shalt take, and the second one is that et, parsing objective mark, and Halive means noun masculine plural, the translation is that the Levites. And then the next one, Lay. Lay, the parsing of it is preposition plus suffix, and the translation of it is for me. And the next one, Ane, pronoun, and the translation I am. And then the next one, Adonai, means proper noun, translation the Lord. Tahat, parsing preposition, translation instead of. And then Kul, parsing noun construct, translation all. And the next one, Bikor, means noun masculine plural, and the translation the firstborn. And then the next one is Bivnei means uh, translation, parsing, preposition plus noun construct, and the translation is among the children. And then the next one, Yisrael, parsing, proper noun, and then the translation is of Israel. And then the last is ve'et, means parsing, conjunction plus marker, and the translation is and. Now let's go to the verse 42. I mean the continuation of 41. Behemed means noun feminine singular construct, and then halevev and tahat kor vekor behemat bene Yezrael. Lahat tahat means preposition, and the translation is instead of, and kor means construct, and the translation is all, and then vekor noun masculine singular, the translation is the firstlings, and the next one behemat means preposition plus noun feminine masculine among the cattle, and then the next bene means noun construct, the translation is the of the children, and then the last one Yisrael noun proper, the translation of Israel. Let's go to 42. The first word bayefkod means kal, called third masculine singular, the translation is numbered and numbered. Then Moshe, proper noun, translation Moses. Kaashar seva means conjunction, translation as. Adonai, translation appeal perfect third masculine singular, translation commanded. Eto, pronoun, proper pronoun, translation the Lord. Kol bakar, object marker. Bibnei, noun construct, translation all. Yisrael, firstborn noun. And now let's go to the number 43. I mean verse 43. The first word is da vayehe, parsing kal third masculine singular, translation and where. Then the next word bekor means noun construct, translation all. Jakar, noun masculine singular, the translation the firstborn. And bimispar, noun masculine singular, males, the translation. Then the next one simot bemem, preposition plus noun, translation by the number. And kodesh, noun plus masculine plural of names, the translation. And left the name means noun masculine singular, translation month. And we system elof is conjunction plus adverb, and the translation is and upward. Shulusha means number, and translation two. And visibem, number, translation 20 and umatayim, noun thousands and their score and 13. So that's all the numbers 3, Numbers 3 verse 40 to 43.